Samsung seems to be preparing something big with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S27 series, and these early leaks already feel a bit different from the usual cycle. We're hearing about camera upgrades, possible pricing changes, and even a bold new dark cherry design that's getting a lot of attention online. But the biggest surprise might be a shift in the direction of the Ultra model itself. According to leaks, the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra could see improvements to the main camera, ultra-wide lens, and selfie camera. Interestingly, the zoom camera might remain unchanged. That might actually make sense, since most users rely more on the main and front cameras than extreme zoom. There's also talk about pricing, with the S27 Ultra potentially landing around $1,399. But what really caught people off guard is the mention of a Galaxy S27 Pro. Samsung typically sticks with the Plus branding, so introducing a Pro model could signal a bigger lineup change. At the same time, there's growing concern about rising flagship prices. Phones are getting more expensive every year, while expectations keep climbing. Users want better cameras, bigger batteries, slimmer designs, and stronger AI, all in one package. And AI could play a major role here. Samsung is expected to push its Galaxy AI features even further with the S27 series, focusing on smarter photo editing, improved live translation, and tools that actually enhance daily use instead of just sounding impressive on paper. Then there's the dark cherry concept, which instantly grabbed attention. The deep red finish paired with a darker metallic frame gives the phone a much more premium and distinctive look compared to the usual color options Samsung tends to offer. Still, the biggest question is about the future of the Ultra lineup. Since it effectively replaced the Galaxy Note, fans are strongly attached to features like the S Pen and the signature boxy design. Any major change there could easily spark backlash. One thing is clear though, the Galaxy S27 Ultra already feels like more than just another yearly refresh. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Samsung might completely change the Ultra lineup with the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra by removing the built-in S Pen slot. The feature that once made the Ultra feel like a true Galaxy Note device could disappear, and honestly, this could become one of Samsung's most controversial decisions. The biggest reason behind this move is internal space. Modern flagship phones need bigger batteries, stronger cooling systems, larger camera hardware, and more room for AI and future 6G technology. Samsung may see the S Pen slot as space that could be better used for more important upgrades. One major benefit could be a significantly larger battery. With gaming, high refresh rate displays, AI features, and powerful cameras draining power faster than ever, Samsung could use that extra space to finally deliver a noticeable boost in battery life. Another key upgrade could be cooling. Flagship processors generate a lot of heat during gaming and heavy multitasking. Removing the S Pen slot could allow Samsung to include a larger vapor chamber, improving thermal performance and keeping speeds more stable. Samsung also seems to be gradually reducing the importance of the S Pen in smartphones. Recent Ultra models have simplified stylus features, suggesting the company may shift focus toward Galaxy tablets, where productivity and creative tools make more sense. For longtime fans, this change could feel like the end of the Galaxy Note legacy. The built-in S Pen has been one of the last standout features separating the Ultra from other flagship devices, and removing it could make the series feel less unique. At the same time, Samsung likely understands that most users prioritize battery life, performance, cameras, and reliability over the S Pen. If those areas see major improvements, many users might accept the trade-off. The Galaxy S27 Ultra could end up defining the future direction of Samsung's flagship strategy. So the real question is simple. Would you trade the built-in S Pen for better battery life, cooling, and performance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section.